good to know. And how about the maintenance? Is it different from a regular one?
Yes, actually, the rough-terrain forklifts, the maintenance for the rough-terrain forklifts is different from the traditional IC forklifts. As mentioned, the rough-terrain forklifts, it's mostly used on uneven surfaces or rough terrain places. So it tends to need more maintenance compared to the regular IC forklifts. Yeah. Moreover, the easy-to-open hook provides quick access to the engine compartment. The two-piece design makes it also has got two-piece design, which makes the floorboard easy to lift and remove for access to the powertrain. The fastener of the radiator cover can be turned easily by hand to enable quick inspection or services.
Yeah, thanks for your information, and that has been very informative. So, is there anything else you would like to add?
One last thing to note is that because of the specialized design, rough terrain forklifts are often more expensive than traditional IC forklifts. However, they provide the necessary durability and capacity for outdoor applications, making them a smart investment in the long run.
So, where can we buy a rotary forklift?
Okay, so if you're interested in ordering this rough terrain forklift, feel free to go to www.FORKFOCUS.com, and our specialized team will be very, very happy to assist you in choosing the perfect rough terrain forklift that you need. We've come to the end of our video, and we are very, very excited that you were able to watch us from the beginning till now. So until we meet in our next video, thank you so much for being with us.